I need someone to come and deliver my grocery. What?
Thank you for the grocery.
God bless you, sir. I don't need no Grammy.
Oh, them are manage when me eat up the whole heap of healthy food and them say they knew me.
All I need is 2 slices of bami.
Hey, come here.
What them I expect? What them I expect?
I never like when I called the last time and I never you me get.
It's a whole heap of weena, ma'am.
And so, is a ninja bike you take come here? And you want to deliver my grocery all the while. Oh, this nice. You never get the pineapple. Oh, sweet yeah. Oh, lucky. Several crib. Can you see what I've been going through? Look at my legs.
Shizzle.
I'm slim.
Groceries delivered by 7 Crizzle.
I appreciate you so much. Wayne, 7 Crib is here with our delivery of the groceries.
Them member the strong back.
Wayne, this is a kids channel.
Choo choo choo.
My hair grew back. I dyed it blonde.
Remember the spice bun? I said Susan, yeah? If you're delivering my grocery, you feel understand that Afrobeats now have no lyrics. Level! You mama, ninja like museum.
Ask me your feelings.